Hi guys, I'm Audi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a listen what does IPE straight pipe exhaust on my friend's S5. Let's we have a look. As you can see, this is the IPE exhaust system. At the back you can see the logo at here. Here straight pipe, the down pipe and no seal at all. Which I filmed another my friend's S5 which is sportback. He got the cat back exhaust system also from the IPE, but he has a 200 seal high flow cat which will be a little bit quiet. So today we are going to have a listen what does this sound like. So this is it. How do you guys think this S5 with that straight pipe from IPE exhaust? I think it is really loud. If you want to hear that pop, you have to turn on your driving mode to the dynamic. Otherwise, you cannot hear any of it. And also, if you want to have a listen what does IPE cat back exhaust system sounds like, and also had a video with IPE cat back exhaust system with high flow cats from them as well, I will put the video link in the description below. And also, there is another thing is the middle pipe from IPE exhaust. They are not the same between the coupe and the sportback. Even though you ordered the coupe, middle pipe from IPE is also not perfectly to fit. You have to cut off a little bit, otherwise there is no way to put on. So this will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.